Okay guys, so this video is going to be about how to clone your favorite hat. So it's 3 pieces. So I just took this hat of mine and I laid it out on a newspaper. I traced out the brim of this hat, guys. And then I did the width of the hat, which is this piece right here. And then I did the top. And of course, it's going to be a little bigger. You can trim that down as you go once you get it sewed on. Don't make it smaller. Bigger is good because when you're done sewing it on, you can trim all that off. And just to make certain that this part will fit your head, I'm going to turn it around, put it on me. So you put this on because you just want to make sure that the hat part is this part that goes around your head, that it will fit. And then I need to get some interfacing, and I need to get some cardboard from the dollar store. And I'm going to make this a denim hat, like my favorite hat. So let me show you guys my favorite hat. And these is the pieces, and I just need to get interfacing. So you see that one, the bottom, the middle, the top. And I will clone this hat. This is one of my favorite hats. So that's how you can clone. The only thing, it might not have this little, whatever, because I don't have that piece, but it'll be a flat top. But it'll be as close. All right, guys. Bye.